Sifat ayah gos. Tambah.
Hana makada ngasigi akoigi Manipur dagi Jitkundo Association of Manipur na international world game Jitkundo Association of Manipur na akoigi World Youth Games ta 2025 ki World Youth Games ta participate tawna bi damakta sigumba yamna chauraba fajaraba sigumba occasion sida ai busu kunjaran busu owiba sigi damakta ai koi Jitkundo ki association ki simbi langbi ba mayam pu mona thagattari loinana chaliba akoi ki it is hereby informed that great pleasure that following Jitkundo players and coach of Manipur left Imphal today for participation in the World Youth Games 2025 in Jitkundo event to be held from 5 to 8 November 2025 at Pattaya Sport Complex, Pattaya City, Thailand. Participate to bidaba angang jingdugi maming dudi Chungkham Ningthem 19 years or 50. I wish to all the players to our country and bring lot of medal whatever they are participating. 5 people, I hope my blessing is always with them and they will click a gold medal for our India. I wish you all the best.